The Man in the Rain. It was raining hard that night. Like the kind of rain that makes everything look blurry outside the window. Anna was home alone, curled up on the couch, watching some boring TV show. That's when she heard it. A knock at the window. Not the door, the window. She lived on the second floor. She froze. Another knock, louder this time. She didn't want to look, but her body moved before her mind could stop it. Outside the window was a man, soaking wet, wearing a long coat and a wide smile. He just stood there, staring straight at her. She screamed and ran to her room, locked the door, and called the police. When they arrived, there was no one outside. But muddy footprints led from the window to her bedroom door.
Thank you for listening. Feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts and share any strange stories you've experienced too.